In the annals of history and in the corridors of modern innovation, names like Bill Gates, Prophet Muhammad, Jesus, Elon Musk, and Steve Jobs resonate not just for their achievements, but for one common thread: they all had followers. Followers who believed in their vision, trusted their judgment, and were inspired by their actions. The power of influence. What sets these leaders apart is their ability to influence. Influence is not about imposing authority. It is about guiding and inspiring. Bill Gates, for instance, did not just create software, he envisioned a world transformed by technology. Prophet Muhammad's teachings were rooted in compassion and social justice, resonating deeply with his followers. Jesus' message of love and forgiveness, Elon Musk's bold steps towards a sustainable future, and Steve Jobs' pursuit of excellence. Each of these leaders created a narrative that people could connect with, believe in, and follow. The role of empathy. Leadership is not about sympathy, feeling sorry for others. It is about empathy, understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Empathy allows a leader to connect on a deeper level, to understand the challenges and aspirations of their followers. This connection is what turns admirers into followers. When people feel understood and valued, they are more likely to align with your vision and support your journey. Helping and serving. True leadership involves serving and helping others. It is not just about leading the charge, it is about ensuring that your followers are equipped, empowered, and inspired. Whether it is through charitable works, as seen in the life of Prophet Muhammad, or through innovation that changes lives, as with Steve Jobs and Bill Gates, helping others is a cornerstone of effective leadership. To lead effectively in the workplace, whether in projects or with colleagues, embody the principles of influential leaders like Bill Gates, Prophet Muhammad, Jesus, Elon Musk, and Steve Jobs. Inspire through vision. Communicate a clear, compelling vision for your projects, similar to how these leaders share their transformative ideas. Exercise empathy. Understand and relate to your colleagues' perspectives and challenges, fostering a supportive environment. Serve and support. Focus on aiding and empowering your team, ensuring they have the resources and guidance needed for success. Lead by example. Demonstrate commitment and passion, inspiring your team to follow suit. By applying these principles, you can lead effectively, create a positive impact, and drive success in your workplace.